All right, lads, easy now. Lower her down steady.
Giant cranes lower a massive steel hull plate into position against the ship's skeleton. Steam rises from a nearby forge where rivets are being heated.
Steady, steady. Lower her down easy now.
Watch the chains there.
All right, she's home. Lower it steady now. Watch the starboard side.
Easy with that angle. Mind the casing.
Hold it, hold it. Bring her down slow.
All 4 funnels are now installed. Workers are seen on the roof of the officers' quarters, securing the stays and cables to the deck.
Workers use caulking irons to drive oakum into the seams between the teak planks. Black pitch is being heated nearby in a small pot.
The grand launch, the massive